Good morning, students. I hope you all have understood what is air made up of. Air is a natural virtue on the earth which supports life on the earth. It exists in the atmosphere and contains many gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. Today I am going to discuss about uses of air. There are many uses. Now open your book on page 86 and let's start reading. Uses of air. Number 1. All plants and animals need air to breathe. Students, when we talk about the uses of air, the first thing that we can say that it is the most important element that supports the well-being of all living organisms on the earth. Now come along on page 87. Plants also need air, carbon dioxide gas, to make their food. Students, carbon dioxide is a component of air which is used by plants during the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen is released by plants in this process. Point number 3. Moving air helps in drying clothes and wet surfaces. Underline word surfaces and write its meaning: uppermost layer of something. When the air is moving, the water evaporates quickly in the form of water vapors and go into the air. Now come to fourth point. Balloons and many other toys are filled with air. Fifth point. Footballs and tire tubes of vehicles are filled with air. Underline word vehicles and write its meaning: means of transport. Students, when we fill air into balloons or toys, it expands and hence they become useful, and when tire tubes are filled with air, then only they come smoothly on the road. Point number 6. Swimming tubes are filled with air to prevent swimmers from drowning. Underline word prevent and write its meaning: stop. Then underline word drowning and write its meaning: sinking. As you know, the air is lighter than water. Therefore, tubes filled with air float on water and saves a person from sinking. Now read out point number 7. Water vapor in air forms clouds that give us rain. 8th point. Clouds reach different places by floating in the air. Underline word different and write its meaning: various. Then underline word floating and write its meaning: moving. Students, air plays a vital role in water cycle. It is the air which helps in making water vapors and form clouds. Also, clouds move from one place to another with the help of air. Now let's revise. My first question is: how do plants use carbon dioxide? Plants use carbon dioxide to make their own food. Question number 2. Name few things in which we fill air. We fill air into footballs, tire tubes, swimming tubes, balloons, etc. Question number 3. Give any 3 uses of air. We need air to breathe. Number 2. Air helps to fly kites. And number 3. It helps to bring rain. Tomorrow we will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter and revise questions and terms. Thank you.